Okay, here we go again. Now what we want to do is we want to we want to start building the bottom part of the rocket now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this big red, this, the red shape that I've created here, and I just want to click it so it goes all blue, and then I'm going to delete it so it's gone. Now I want this plane, this orange plane that's up here, I want this orange plane to be basically down here on the bottom of the rocket, like it was at the very start. So to do that, all I do is I click work plane once, and I go to the bottom of the rocket. You can see the work plane kind of grabs on to wherever you place it. So I want it flat on the bottom of the rocket. So I'm going to put it on one of the thrusters. I'm going to click it once. You can see it appears now on the bottom of the rocket. If I two-finger click and slide up, you'll see that it is now, and I'm going to hold down Shift and two-finger click and pan. I'm just going to back out a tiny bit. You can see it's now in a different spot. Now this rocket is a bit close to that, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to push that rocket a bit more over in the corner there. So there's a bit of space between the two rockets. Okay, so we basically want to create this, I'm just going to zoom in a little bit, we want to create this bottom shape right here. Okay, so to do that, we're just going to click on our paraboloid, and we're going to hit Command D, that's duplicate. Okay, I believe on a Windows machine, it would be Control D. And then what we're going to do is we're going to flip this shape now. So what we're going to do is, you can see there's a little tiny arrow on the bottom here. I'm going to click that, and I'm just going to flip the shape. You can see another shape has appeared here, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to click, 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 click around. And if you notice I go outside of it, it's a smooth click if I go outside of it. I'm just going to flip it 100, minus 180. We're going to flip it 180 degrees here, so you can see it has the angles on the sides there. So, and now I'm going to see the little arrow on the top. I'm going to grab that arrow, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to slide my shape through down to the bottom. You can see if I slide all the way down, it goes through the work plane. I'm going to slide it to about, actually I'm going to attach it. So I'm going to attach it to the other shape like that. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit. That looks pretty good. Actually, no, I'm going to leave a little space in between them. So I'm going to leave about that much space in between the two. Now, I probably kind of want to fill this space up in here. To do that, that's pretty easy. All we're going to do is click on a cylinder, pull a cylinder over, and put it right underneath our rocket here. Let's grab our cylinder, pull it up through. You can see it's kind of in a weird spot. See, the cylinder is actually behind it. So I'm just going to rotate a little bit this way. I'm going to pull my cylinder until I feel like it's kind of inside my rocket. It doesn't have to be 100% inside the rocket. And I'm just going to grab this little white thing, the little white square on my cylinder here. I'm just going to, I'll show you how I did that. I clicked on my cylinder and I grabbed the white square. And I'm going to hold down Shift and I'm going to make my cylinder a little bit bigger. Okay, so that should be pretty good right there. Okay, and of course we can use our align function again. So I'm just going to highlight these two right here. I'm going to click on align, and let's align there, and align there. That should put our cylinder perfectly in the middle. Excellent. Okay, let's get ready for the next video.